Jerry Johnson in the house, yeah.
Big R2 in the house.
Penis.
3, 2, 1. Lick the bone before I go get another piece.
Chicken wings, chicken wings, chicken.
All alone, don't need to share, I can't just eat them all up in peace. Nothing's better than this, not even the ice on my wrist. If you touch my wings and I'll hiss, your face collide with my fist. You're lucky if I missed or ouch.
Chicken wings, chicken wings.
Ow. Give me all your chicken wings, ship me them in wheelie bins. To me they're worth more than diamond rings, so I hope that they're when my alarm rings. They're my favorite things, they're my favorite things, they're my favorite things, they're my favorite things.
Chicken wings, chicken wings, chicken wings, chicken wings. Chicken wings, chicken wings, chicken wings, chicken wings.
Penis.
Mum shopping in next, she sends me a text. I'm going to Lidl's, do you want some yummy chicken wings? Hell yeah, Mum, you don't I'll drink your rum. I've already drunk some, so now she will bout my poor bum. No, eating my wings with my men, been doing this since I was 10. Plucking feathers of hen, gonna use them as my pen. Chicken wings in sack, chicken wings are back. Chicken wings on rack, chicken wings don't lack. I'ma eat all these wings with no help, yes I'm sure I could. Gonna chug pots of mayonnaise because it's tasting so good, so good. Yes I would, yes you should. There's no point in explaining why they stay stood.
Penis.
Chicken wings, chicken wings, chicken wings, chicken wings. Chicken wings, chicken wings, chicken wings, chicken.